my topic is shape selective catalyst by zeolite. The most important feature of zeolite catalyst is the shape selectivity. Zeolite may be considered as open structure of silica in which site or holes are in the fraction like x upon x plus y, which is in tetrahedral in shape and occupied by aluminium, and formula is mx upon n big bracket small bracket AlO2 whole x SiO2 whole y m molecule of water. The void and vacant space or a hole present in the unit cell is greater than 50% of volume, and when it occupied by the water molecule does not fit fully in the void due to the openness of the structure, because the zeolite have openness in structure. That is why water molecule does not fit fully in it, and thus zeolite have high porosity. This porosity is mainly due to the presence of 1, 2 or 3 dimensional network of interconnected canals and cavity, that is holes of molecular dimension. Dimensions is what? Length, breadth and height. Zeolites are regarded as very important oxide catalysts and are widely used as a petrochemical industry for cracking of the hydrocarbon and isomerization. Now, zeolite catalysis is the shape selectivity because the catalyzing action of zeolite depend upon the size of cavity and pores present in it. The reactant molecule having size greater than the size of the cavity, and the pores are unable to enter into the pores are unable to enter into the pores of the catalyst. So therefore it is failed to get adsorb on it. The size of pores in the zeolite varies between 260 pm picometer and 740 pm. Therefore, the reaction taking place in zeolite depend on the size of the reactant and product molecule as compared to the size of the cage or pore or hole of the zeolite. The zeolite catalyst ZSM5, that is, the formula is HX AlO2 whole x SiO2 whole 96 minus x with 16 molecules of water, may be used to convert alcohol directly to gasoline, that is petrol. The conversion involve the dehydration of alcohol to form the mixture of hydrocarbon constitute gasoline. So now we discuss catalyst in industry. Catalysts are widely used in industry. Catalyst, a variety of reactions, some of the process are there. For example, this is the Haber process, which is combine N2 and H2 to form ammonia. So the catalyst is Fe and molybdenum is the promoter. So pressure is 200 bar and temperature is 723 to 773 Kelvin, and the main product is ammonia. Now next is Ostwald process. In this process nitric acid manufactured, and platinized asbestos is taken as a catalyst, and 573 Kelvin temperature is taken, and main product is nitric acid. In contact process, we manufacture H2SO4 in the presence of platinum, asbestos or vanadium pentaoxide as a catalyst, and temperature is 673 to 723 Kelvin, and the main product is H2SO4. So my question is for today, what is the shape of selective catalyst by zeolite? Thank you.